Lamborghinis, no 10 grand while you sleep, no screenshot of a dashboard that could have been made in Photoshop in 4 minutes. What you're getting instead is 7 ways real people are actually making money with AI right now, ranked from the easiest to start to the most profitable to finish. Every one of them is something you could begin this week without a team, without funding, and without pretending to be someone you're not. And at the end, the 3 reasons most people fail at all 7, because knowing the list is the easy part. The 3 reasons are what separate the people who make money from the people who spend 90 days learning them the hard way. Ground rules. 1 rule before the list, and it saves you a lot of pain. AI does not print money. It multiplies effort. 0 effort multiplied by the best model on earth is still 0, which is exactly why the passive income overnight crowd keeps disappearing. But real effort multiplied by AI is a completely different equation. The person who used to write 1 article a day now ships 6. The person who tested 1 product a quarter now tests 20. That multiplier is where all 7 of these live. So as we go, ask yourself one question: what effort do I already have that AI could multiply? Your answer is your starting point. Number 7, AI boosted freelancing. Nothing exotic here, and that's the point. The same gigs that have always paid writing, design, translation, video editing, data cleanup. The difference is that AI takes your first draft from 2 hours to 20 minutes, so your time goes to the part clients actually pay for, which is judgment. You're not selling AI. Most clients don't want to hear the word. You're quietly outproducing every freelancer who refuses to use it, delivering faster and charging by the project instead of by the hour. It's number 7 because it still trades time for money. But it pays this month, and cash flow is what buys you the patience for everything higher on this list. Number 6, faceless content channels, scripts, voiceover, visuals, editing. AI handles most of the pipeline and you never show your face. The upside is real because 1 video can pay you for years. But listen closely, because this is where most people burn out. Consistency beats talent here, and it isn't close. The average person quits somewhere around video 12, right before the algorithm has enough data to know who to show you to. The channels that win are the ones still standing at video 50, running a format they've repeated so many times. It's boring to make 1 narrow topic, 1 repeatable format, 1 publishing day you refuse to miss. That's the whole strategy. Number 5, digital products, templates, planners, spreadsheets, short courses, make it once, sell it forever. AI cuts creation time by roughly 90%, and that changes the entire game, because the old model was betting a full year on 1 big product and praying. Now, you can build a small product in a weekend, put it in front of real buyers, and let the market tell you the truth. Most of them will flop. That's fine. And it's supposed to happen. You're not looking for a hit on the first try. You're looking for the 1 product out of 10 that people keep buying, and then you make 5 more versions of that one. Number 4, AI-assisted print on demand and micro brands. Same logic, physical output. You can generate and test 50 designs in a weekend, kill the 47 nobody clicks, and scale the 3 that sell. Notice what the skill actually is now. It isn't drawing, it's ruthless testing, reading the data without ego, and being willing to delete work you personally liked. The people who struggle here fall in love with design number 9 and keep pushing it for 6 months. The people who win treat every design as a question, not a child. Ask 50 questions a month and the market hands you the answer. Number 3, local business services. Here's the secret. Nobody says out loud. Every small business owner already knows AI matters. Almost none of them have the time or the patience to sit down and learn it. So you become the person who does it for them. Set up their chatbot for after-hours questions. Handle their review replies, build their content calendar and their email follow-ups. Then charge monthly, not per project, because recurring revenue is what turns a side hustle 10 clients at a few hundred a month is a salary, and local businesses stay for years. if you genuinely make their life easier. Is it boring? Deeply? Is it profitable? Extremely. Boring and profitable is the best combination in business. Same idea, bigger price tag. You find one painful, repetitive process inside a business: invoice chasing, report generation, customer onboarding, quote follow-ups. You automate that one process. Then you do the part almost everyone skips, which is documenting the hours saved in writing. 11 hours a week back. Here's the before, here's the after. Because here's the key sentence of this entire video. Businesses do not buy AI, they buy save time. Somebody approves a budget for a language model. Everybody approves a budget for getting a staff member's Friday back. One good case study with a real name and a real number attached will market you for a year. And number one, the most profitable of all 7, build the boring tool that one industry desperately needs, not the next ChatGPT, not a general purpose assistant for everyone, which means for nobody, a quote generator for roofers and intake form for dental clinics. A bid estimator for landscapers, a shift handover tool for care homes. Small, specific, unglamorous, and paid, because when a tool speaks an industry's exact language, uses their words, matches their forms, and fixes the exact thing they complain about at lunch, that industry pays without blinking. And they don't leave, because switching costs them more than the subscription does. Nobody will call it impressive at a party. It will just quietly make money every single month.